Hi, this is James, and today I'm excited to let you know that there is a new kick-ass membership site software being launched on 14th of October 2021 at 11 a.m. Eastern. This software is developed by Neil Napier, and on the 14th of October at 10 a.m., he is conducting a webinar. Jump onto that webinar so that you can grab the bundled offer. So there are no upsells, no cross sells. So I'm going to go through with you after the demo that's coming up, the pre launch page as well as the post launch page in case you missed the webinar. Check out the link below to discover the bonuses that you shall receive when you pick up Membervio through my link. Subscribe, click the bell icon, and select all notifications so that all future videos like these that are going to give you tips, tricks, and techniques on how to boost your business, you will receive them. So let's head on over and have a look at this demo that's going to blow your mind.
In this demo, I want to give you an overview of how Membervio works. You can see here we have a whole bunch of products in our membership site. I'm going to show you one of them right here. Let us look at our Smart Academy product. And here are the modules that we have in our Smart Academy. Here's the introduction, the various modules, including some worksheets and checklists. We'll get to that a little bit later. I just want to give you an overview of what it looks like now. So as you come in, you will see the lessons right over here. So it starts with this section called Social Community Secrets, then an introduction about what the lesson is. You can see down on the left side, you have the ability to move from one section to the other just by clicking. Now we are in section 2 here. You can have many lessons under one section to make sure to cover your content exactly how you want it. As you can see in this module, there are lots of sections and lessons. And then we get to the end of the module. Here is a place for some feedback and then some tracking where our students can mark that they have finished the lesson. You can navigate with the menu on the left side. That is the basic interface of a finished product, a finished course. So this is the basic layout of what it will look like to your customers and your students. Now let us take a look at how we can actually create a course inside of Membervio from scratch. Let us hop onto Smart Product sections here. Let's click on a new product and we're going to create a membership product. Click on the next step. We are going to call our product Influencer Marketing. Then a brief description. We will add here, this is a training on being an influencer in marketing. Then we add our course image right here. Find our image and select it to add. So we're going to click here and navigate to our images, select it and upload. Now we can do some simple editing right over here. We can crop it or rotate it, get it looking the way we want it to, and just confirm our changes. And then our product support link, we can add the cancellation and refund policy as well. All the pieces that complete your sales process. You can also choose to be notified when your product is sold. We're going to go to our next step here. In this step, we're going to add pricing. What do we want to set our pricing for this product? You see, we have a variety of payment platform integrations. On this account, we have a bunch of them set up, and you can have all of them set up if you would like. Right here, we've got PayPal, Paddle, Stripe, and JVZoo, and you can have a few others as well. I'm going to make this particular course for free right now. Then after selecting the price of free, we're going to add the price variant by clicking over here. Your price variants will be listed here. You can also have a variety of different pricing models. We then set the name of our price, maybe let's say November sale, regular price. Ours is just free in this case. We'll add a description if needed, no charge. Then the thank you page that you want people to go to. We're going to send them to the default thank you page. Then we can limit who can actually purchase it or if anyone can. And then we're going to go to the next step. We can add actions here. More on that in just a little bit. We're going to go to the next step and now we can set up how we deliver this course. We want to send a welcome email and we can personalize it too. It includes by default their login information and a link to their course login page. All that is automated and ready for you. And I'm going to go ahead and click on Create Product. The product has been successfully created. Now we've got the framework to put our product in, that is, upload our course into. And here it is, Influencer Marketing. Let's go ahead and edit that. So we're going to click over here. Of course, we do not have any modules just as yet because we just created the skeleton of this course. Click on create a new module. Here's the image we uploaded earlier. We're going to call our new module introduction because it is the first lesson, first module, and a new description as well, introducing influencer marketing. So let's go ahead and create a new module. Now our module has been created. We can go ahead and add a new lesson. What's the lesson name? Let's call it intro video. Click on create lesson. Now you can see the lesson we just created, and we're going to edit that as well. And this is where we add our content. Just click on video. I've got my YouTube embed code. I'm just going to go ahead and paste that into the embed section right over here. Hit save, and now it's been embedded. There is my introduction. I'm going to save my content. It has been successfully created. So here I can preview my content as well. I can then go back and edit that or delete that if I changed my mind. From here, I can hop back to my product overview, and I can see my product right here. Right now, it's in draft mode, so I'm going to go ahead and publish that. And I'm also going to publish my lesson. You see below, the lesson has been successfully updated. At this point, I can click to preview the product that I have just created. And you can see here's my product. I can start the lesson, of course, but there's only one lesson here right now. Here's the intro video that I have created. It is that simple to add a course to Membervio. Now let me show you some of the advanced features that I touched upon earlier. First thing we're going to do is to add a worksheet. So we're going to go into our influencer marketing course. We already have our content in here, and now we're going to go up here to add a worksheet. Just click on add a worksheet, then enter the worksheet name and what kind of questions you want. We can choose from 3 different types: an open question, multiple choice, and fill in the blank. Here we're going to go with multiple choice, and it's added to the worksheet. Then we add our question, then each of the 3 options that we're going to pick in this case. Publish it by turning off the draft mode, save it, and just have a look at it. When we preview our product, we just start the lesson, and right there is our quick checkup worksheet. That's how you create a worksheet in Membervio. You can add files here as well. Just click on add files, then you can drag and drop or browse to upload a file. You can put images, zip files, PDFs, even PowerPoint presentations, and make them easily available to your students inside your course. If you go into settings, you will see that you have a few options. Now we skipped over actions earlier. So actions bring the power of automation to your membership site, making it much easier to grow your business. For example, you can say if the customer purchases this course, then you do this. For example, you can say if the customer purchases this course, and you can select which price variant you want. You can select the people who purchase the free version, the full version, the basic version, whatever you want to do. We only have a free one for now, so we're going to pick that. Then you can tell Membervio to do something with the automation. So we can add them to an autoresponder, we can add them to a webinar event, we can even give them access to other products, add or remove tags. All these automations that you set up right here in Membervio will make your site run much smoother. Here's how we can manage the orders for various products that we own. You can do that from this page. We can also create coupons. Here's a quick overview of that process. Just click add new coupon, enter the coupon code, and we're going to call this one demo. We decide, do we want to set it to a percentage or a fixed price? I'm going to set it to say 10% off. Then we select which products it will work on. And there's some other options here too. We can set when it starts, when it ends, and how many times it can be used. So the coupons give you a lot of flexibility with your pricing. Say if you want to run a special promotion for a week or just to certain customers, you can create a wide variety of coupons. Now back in our complete membership site, Smart Academy Training, you can see how all the modules and all other content have been added. You just click to access. Now I want to show you how we protect your content as well. Say someone wants to grab the text right over here. Maybe you've got a whole lot of text of your personal content. If someone wanted to grab it and claim it as their own, they would just have to highlight it, right click, and then select copy. But you can't right click on this page. I'm right clicking on it right now, nothing. Now I'm pressing Ctrl C, nothing, and it will not let me. You can see that we protect your information. It is one of our security features that gives you total and final control over your content. This also works on images. If you try and right click, nothing happens. This is one of the many ways in which we protect your data. So that is an overview of how Membervio works and some of the more advanced features that you can use for your business. There's a whole lot more inside, and of course, we will have plenty of training for you on all the features as well.
Okay, guys, now that we are done with the demo, let's jump on to the pre-launch page where you shall land after you have clicked on the link below this video. And on that page, on the button, when you click on it, you should land here if it is before 10 a.m. on the 14th of October, 2021. Now, you would probably not land on this page if it is after 11 a.m. of 14th October. Now, the advantage of jumping onto this webinar is that when you register for the webinar now, before 10 a.m., or before the webinar starts, or maybe even during the webinar, you are able to be eligible for a draw to win a free copy of Membervio and other stuff as well. So those are surprises that Neil is dishing out during the webinar. And so during the webinar, Neil will be teaching how you can publish and sell your knowledge or somebody else's. And this is more in-depth than what he has covered in the demo. How to customize and set your pricing, how to connect and automate your content, marketing, transactional emails, and products in one place. And he's giving out 3 copies. So are you going to be one of the 3? Best way to find out is to register and be live during the webinar. Now, this is the sales page post-launch. So you would land on this page after the webinar has ended and the cart has opened. And let's go through the key points or the benefits that you shall receive when you get Membervio. Now, there are no transaction fees when you use Membervio to sell your membership programs, courses, or anything else that you want to share. Now, besides what Neil has already shared about automating, which is going to be a huge time saver because you make money on autopilot when you have set everything up correctly, you also get analytics to see how your customers are behaving or engaging with your content. You, of course, get paid. Neil has also briefly talked about the different payment platforms that you can use to collect money when you sell your courses. There are PayPal, Stripe, JVZoo, Warrior Plus, and 6 other platforms. And again, remember, there are no transaction fees. And you have seen the security, which I love, because it's not easy to find a platform that prevents others from copying text, downloading images, and other files. And hopefully it will also prevent print screen. But then there are tools that will allow or bypass this security measure. So there are done for you courses, so it gets you running quickly the moment you pick up Membervio. And it's so easy, as you saw in the demo as well. And jump onto the webinar. I hope you managed to get onto the webinar or registered for it so you can see how easy it is. So there is a 100% money back guarantee as well, which I shall be revealing in a moment. And this is cloud-based, and this is something which is also interesting. Not only is it desktop or laptop suitable, but you can also use a tablet in order for you to develop your courses or to set everything up. So the 3 simple steps, once again: import, publish, and sell. Okay, guys, so let's go through the benefits, the features and benefits that come with Membervio. Feature number 1 is that it is almost 100% automated. So once you set it up, you just forget, it will run by itself and it just collects money for you. So a huge time saver there. Now, feature number 2 is custom membership design, which means that each one of your courses can have a different design so that they all look unique and not cookie cutter. Now, feature number 3 is that you can customize your sites completely. Feature number 4 is smooth welcome and onboarding. Now, have a look at the image on the top. Now, you see my name there. So that's what you can do with Membervio. that it can be dynamic and be very personalized as well. How cool is that? You do not get this with many membership sites. Now, feature number 5 is in-depth analysis and tracking. So it helps you see who has started and how they are progressing in their course. And maybe you can even send them reminders. Feature number 6 is reuse and repurpose lessons, where you can duplicate or replicate the courses and tweak them for different organizations even, so that each organization or each client of yours receives a slightly different take on the material. Feature number 7 is blacklisting rights. So you can even blacklist respective users by their email. Feature number 8 is coupon creation and usage. So you can give out coupons for your courses as well. Feature number 9 is member insights, where you get the statistics to create a better user experience. Feature number 10 is member progress information. Feature number 11 is admin member management. So you can add other admin members as well to take care of the running of your membership site for you. Feature number 12 is domain mapping. So you can have your own domains for your courses instead of using the Membervio domain. Feature number 13 is member list export and import. Feature number 14 is you can create quizzes and worksheets, and therefore improve the engagement, test their knowledge and see what they retain and they may need help in. And maybe we can even get them to redo a portion of the course or certain modules. Feature number 15 is you can enable content drip feed. So you can decide based on time or based on completion as well. Feature number 16 is that it enables you to set your lessons to expire. Feature number 17 is lesson sequences, so that they will only be able to access lessons once they have completed a prerequisite lesson. Feature number 18 is comments enabling, so you can have a discussion going or questions being asked for respective modules or even lessons. Feature number 19 is advanced content security, which we have already gone through. So here are the bonuses that Neil is giving out. One is commercial license, which is included. So pick it up during this launch period. Now, this value is $97 a month, so you get it free now. So besides that major bonus, Neil is also offering other bonuses. Bonus number 1 is how to make 6 figures with Membervio. Bonus number 2 is social source, which is valued at $197, where you are able to create your own social images using social source. Bonus number 3 is a logo source, valued at $97, where you can create your own logos. And therefore, you can use individual logos or unique logos for each one of your courses. And let's have a look at Membervio versus some of the popular platforms out there. So with Membervio, right off the bat, you get 5 done-for-you courses, so you can make money the moment you pick up Membervio. You get 10 themes. Now, you don't get that with Kajabi, Teachable, and Podia, which are all far more expensive. So that's another difference. The major difference probably is that you save a ton of money, and you're going to be blown away when you see how much Neil is charging you. So go through this. I'm not going to read every one of these comparative elements. So I'm just going to scroll slowly so that you can freeze or pause this video and read through this and see what the differences are among the 4 platforms that he has put up here. All right, guys. So now here comes the prize reveal. I'll sound like a parent who is about to reveal the gender of the child. So you have 2 versions, Membervio Starter as well as Membervio Commercial. One, of course, is 97. There is 147. Now, the price during this launch period for the starter pack is 67, but for the commercial, just one extra $10 is just $77 one time. And this is the difference that you have. Now, with the starter pack, you only get one site, whereas with the commercial, although you get one site, you are able to have 25 products versus 5 on the other side. You don't get the 5 done for you courses with the starter, but with the commercial, you do. Now, in terms of customers as well, you are able to have 5,000 customers with the commercial license. And thereafter, further down, it looks like everything is the same. So the starter pack is for personal use, and of course, the commercial license you can sell. And here are the fast action bonuses that I had presented just now, and you only get this with your commercial license. So grab this deal, which is only $77. And there is a full 14-day refund policy. And you may be disappointed that it's only 14 days. You probably wanted it 30 or 90 days or 160 or 365 days. But let's face facts. If you don't use it in 14 days, you are not going to use it. That's human nature. So if you do intend to pick it up, then put it to use within that 14 days. And I think Neil is being very generous in giving you a 100% customer satisfaction, risk-free money back guarantee. If at any one time within that 14 days you're unhappy, request for your money back and Neil will honor. Okay, let's go through these FAQs. So Membervio that is being launched on 14th October is not the first release. It was released originally in 2017. It was a part of Kivio or Kaivio. Now, question number 3, it doesn't matter what device you have. You have also seen that you can use a tablet in order to access the back end. And you have also seen from the demo, and hopefully if you have been on the webinar, you can see how easy it is to get started, how to create your courses, and how to sell them as well. And updates are constantly being pushed from the back end, so you don't need to do anything. You don't need to press any buttons. It is done automatically. And of course, Neil is giving training as well. All right, guys, so let's go through the OTOs. Now, I have already revealed the front end, where there are 2 versions, either the basic or what he called the personal license or the starter, as well as the one with the commercial, which is known as the Elite, going for $77. I've gone through this. Now, OTO number one is the unlimited, where you have 2 choices, going for either $97 per year or just a one-time unlimited for $197. Now, for $100 more, why would you want the annual plan? Just jump in with the unlimited, and with the unlimited, you get unlimited customers instead of 5,000 with the commercial license. You get unlimited themes, unlimited products, additional security, site cloning, export feature, and no transaction fees. Now, OTO 2 is the Insiders Club, which is going for $97 per year, where you get priority access to marketplace to sell your courses and keep all your profits. So Neil is helping you make Membervio a success in every way that he can. And every month he gives you 2 done for you new courses, which you can sell. And instantly when you pick up Insiders Club, you get 50 new courses that you can sell. OTO 3 is the Funnel VO, which is going for $77 one time. And Funnel VO helps you build funnels, and it comes with unlimited funnels. You get 5 sites with unlimited funnels, and you are allowed 100,000 visitors per month. And there are unlimited pages to each one of these funnels or sites. And you get the free page importer for 12 months. OTO 4, which is the final upsell, is Whittle, going for $97 one time. And what is Whittle? Whittle is a video creation, hosting, and management platform. And you get full agency access. It comes with high-speed hosting for up to 200 videos. You can import videos from YouTube, Vimeo, No API required. You can screencast video recording with screen, audio, and camera capture simultaneously, picture-in-picture recording mode, webcam video recording, 300 gigabyte storage space, 500 gigabyte bandwidth, 30 video playlists, 30 video channels, creating and editing timecodes. You are able to add video subtitles, drag and drop video upload, resumable video upload, animated progress bar, playback speed control, SEO optimized video and page, advanced video hosting and marketing solution, no ads on the video, embed code constructor. So you can embed your video on any website, stores, or pages. You can capture audience attention and boost engagement with video. Get viral traffic from 9 top platforms. Add call to action with videos. Monetize the channel with video ads and earn per view, no selling. 7 theme colors. Enable, disable video download. How cool is that? Protect your content. Set live video premiere, countdown timer. Ultra-fast virtual reality 360-degree video player, advanced video access settings, advanced playlist access settings, advanced video analytics, advanced domain embed control, and finally demographic control. So guys, when you look at the cost of all the OTOs and the front end, it works out to a substantial amount. Now, remember, Neil is offering a bundled offer, so there are no upsells to any one of these. Grab all of these with just one bundled offer. And to know what the price is of the bundle, just hang on for a moment. I'm going to reveal it to you. So the bundle price of Membervio is not $497 as stated here. It comes in 2 versions, either Elite or VIP. Now you can go through the difference here. And the price is $247 for the Elite and $297 for the VIP. Now, just think about this, guys. If you were to buy the unlimited after you pick up the front end, the front end is $77 plus $197 lifetime, that's going to be almost as much as the VIP bundled offer. So just add in a little bit more, and probably it's $30 more if my math is correct, and you can grab the bundle Elite. Sorry, the bundle VIP for just $297. So there you go, guys. I hope that demo and review of the webinar page or the pre-launch page and the post-launch page has given you an idea how powerful Membervio is. I love the part where you can protect your pages, where they can't print screen, or they can't copy the text, and they can't download, and they can't share. They may be able to print screen if you have the right tools. Subscribe, click the bell icon, and select all notifications. And once again, check out the link below and discover the bonuses that you shall receive when you pick up Membervio through my link. And I look forward to great success when you use Membervio.